Meaning of hendecasyllabic.
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 Hendecasyllabic. Hendecasyllabic is an adjective that describes a line of poetry or verse that contains 11 syllables. This term is commonly used in the study and analysis of classical poetry. The origin of the word comes from the Greek words hendeca, meaning 11, and syllabos, meaning syllable. The use of hendecasyllabic lines in poetry can create a certain rhythm and structure, making it an important element in poetic composition. Overall, hendecasyllabic refers to a specific type of verse that contains 11 syllables per line.